Then force, sir.
Actually, everything now. This one.
This cycling won't come, sir.
Sorry, turning effect. Sorry.
Uh,
Turning effect. Cycling only. Because you are applying, basically producing rotation, right? By using force.
yes, sir.
Okay. So the actual step is using force, you're creating a torque, and the torque is creating rotation.
Hmm.
See, force will produce motion, say velocity. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, I will say torque will produce rotation. Okay. And from force, I can get torque.
Okay.
This is the pedal, right? So I'm applying
Yes, sir.
force here, and
Hmm.
this pedal will produce this torque, which will rotate this thing.
Hmm.
That will rotate the wheel. Okay. So torque is rotating the wheel of the cycle. So this is the most appropriate because turning effect is on off turning effect.
Silent up, Mr. Schmidt.
Unit of G is force is m into G, right?
Yes, sir. So then
Force
it
is,
would be
force is,
Newton's kilogram, sir.
force is m into G. That's one formula. And force is
Yes,
in
sir.
Newton, mass is in kg, and this unit is some G, some unit. I have to find out.
Hmm.
So Newton per kg.
Hmm.
1 kilogram force means 1 kg into 1. Acceleration is 1 in SI
Hmm.
units. So this one in newtons.
Hmm.
And so 1 Newton, which is same as 10 raised to 5, 9, 10 raised to 5.
Hmm.
So approximately this one only.
Hmm. Sir, I couldn't hear your voice, sir.
Hold on. 1 kilogram force means what?
Uh,
I think it's m into G.
yes, sir.
1 kilogram force means because the weight.
M into.
So it's
Uh,
actually G, which is 9.8
okay.
Newton.
Hmm.
So it's 9.8 into
Hmm.
10 raised to 5 dynes.
Hmm.
So it is C.
Hmm.
Check the answer.
Uh, yes, sir. It's
1 kilogram force means basically weight due to 1 kg.
uh,
Weight due to 1 kg is m into G. So
hmm.
that's 9.8 newtons SI units. So Newton to
Hmm.
dyne conversion is 10 raised to 5. Take
Hmm.
110 inside, 10 raised to 4.
Hmm.
Okay. Body of mass is measured on a planet mass. Mass of the body measured on the planet. Okay, what is the answer?
So it's M, sir.
Yeah, mass will not change.
Yes,
Mass
sir.
is independent property.
Hmm.
Okay. But the weight will be different because weight is mass into gravitational force on 1 kg, which is G. So the first planet will be mg1, and second planet will be mg2 because for both the planets G1 and G2 are different. G is different as G1 and G2. So this is weight. So W1, W2. But mass is same. weight will be different.
Hmm.
What is the answer? Ninth one.
Uh, increase by
See,
three
this is the
hundred
first, this is
percentage.
the first case. This is the second case. The
Hmm.
same mass you are putting on the surface. In the first case, the force will be G M into M by R1
Hmm.
square. R1 is this distance. In
Hmm.
the second case, F2 will be mass is same M. The second mass, this mass also same test mass divided by R2 square. Okay, so F2 by F1 is R1 by R2 whole square. Everything else is same. So R2 is half of R1. So one fourth. Sorry, F2 is F1 by F2, F2 by F1. R1 is more, but this is not half. It's two,
Yes, sir.
four times. So we increase four times. So the change in the force
Hmm.
is
Hmm.
three times. So in factor will be in percentage will be 100,
Hmm.
300.
Okay.
Check the answer.
Ah, correct answer, sir. Option D.
Understood, no? The force in the
Hmm.
first
Yes,
case
sir.
is Gmm by R1 square. Second case
Huh?
is Gmm by R2 square. Okay, so
Hmm.
F2 by F1 is inverse. It's R1 by R2 whole square. And the radius
Hmm.
in second, first case is more. So it's 2 square, it's 4. So force is 4 times more. So the change in the force is 3 times the original force. Okay, so the fractional change is delta F by F, which is 3. In terms of percentage, it will be you have to multiply by 100.
So it will be changing.
Percentage change is the change compared to the original into 100. This is the percentage change.
Hmm.
Tenth one,
For the 10th one, Newton's third law of motion and the law of conservation of linear momentum.
option D.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any other specific question?
Mm.
What about this one? Linear momentum of a system of particles is always conserved.
Hmm.
True or false?
Um, false, sir. Because it's absence only, no way, sir.
Nothing is always true. There will be a condition. So
Hmm.
external force has to be zero.
Hmm.
So not always.
Okay.
If false, reason is external force has to be zero. If this condition is not satisfied, it will not be
Hmm.
controlled. Check the answer.
1 second, sir. Yes, sir. It's false only.
Mm.
The second one is also false.
Apparent weight equal to actual weight
Are
on
not equal.
Earth only.
Okay.
I don't. This is some sort of vague question.
Hmm.
What is in the apparent weight? That's not clear.
Hmm.
See, weight is basically the force between the person and the
Hmm.
or the mass and the Earth.
Hmm.
Okay. So if I'm going to another planet, then it's the force
Okay.
between me and the planet. There, the
Yes,
mass of the
sir.
planet is different, so it could be different.
Hmm.
Weight at
The third one is also is false now, sir.
weight at the equator is
Because
less.
it's lesser.
Why is it less?
Because there's more polar region.
No, no. The Earth is rotating. No,
Huh.
Earth is rotating like this. So if you are here, you're rotating, but
Hmm.
here it's almost no rotation. See,
Yeah.
when you take a disk about the vertical axis rotating, this point is rotating, but this point on the axis is not rotating. It's like zero rotation,
Okay.
right?
Almost like they won't be getting those sunlight.
No, there will
So
be a
that's why.
centrifugal force here, which is m
Huh?
no, omega square r.
Hmm.
Okay, so which will be outwards, which will oppose this gravity force.
Okay.
So you'll feel a bit lighter.
Hmm.
Okay, there is no discussion about the equator in this one. Weight of the body is more at the poles than the. Huh. Yeah, that's correct. Because in the equator there is centrifugal force. Okay, that will reduce a little bit of the weight, but the poles there is a
Huh?
centrifugal force. So this is mentioned as a just a point to remember. Okay. You know centrifugal force?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Little bit I know about it, sir.
Ah, so whenever it's rotating, there'll be a outward force like m omega square r, which is same as mv square by r. Okay. So the one which is in the equator is rotating, but here it's as if it's not rotating. It's on the axis, no? So here it will be
Hmm.
less. Another way to look at it, same omega square. Omega is same for here and here, but here r is more. Here r is
Yes,
less.
sir.
Okay, so centrifugal force is more in the equator, which will oppose the gravity force. Gravity force is inwards, centrifugal is outwards. So the net force
Hmm.
is gravity force minus centrifugal force.
Okay.
So this centrifugal force is more of the equator.
Okay.
There's in some sense true because see,
Mm.
this is Earth, right?
Yes, sir.
The astronaut here, it's moving like this. Okay, so one force is the gravity force, another
Mm.
force is the centrifugal force. Okay, so
Okay.
gravity and this is centrifugal force. These two are balanced, then the net force on this one is zero. So that's why we feel weightless.
Hmm.
See, you and me are right on the Earth's surface, no, but we are not moving with the angular velocity. Okay, but suppose I
Hmm.
have some angular velocity here, then that'll give me a centrifugal force will balance this gravity force.
Hmm.
Okay, so but the astronaut here has got a orbital velocity, so you have a
Hmm.
centrifugal force which will balance this gravity force. So that's why
Hmm.
net force is zero. So as the weight is not there.
Okay.
So your test is on 18th, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow you no class then.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you study.
Ah, sir, do I need to pay fees?
No, I already paid. No, uh,
Huh.
you paid
For the
when?
physics.
Okay, uh, your final exam is when? March.
Yes, sir. It's March 11.
No, March 11th is maths exam. No.
Tamil, sir.
Okay, okay. Uh, I think you start in the middle of January, right?
Hmm.
Like I started teaching middle of January. So
Hmm.
yeah, if you only can pay 1,000 rupees,
Okay, sir.
because until May, March end you need, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Uh, you ask your father to send it by phone pay or GPay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Uh, Another thing you do, how do you study? Do you underline and study or
I like underline and study, sir. Ah, sir, can you send me this PDF?
yeah, I'll send.
Okay.
Uh, See, that's what I'm saying. In the theoretical questions, no, they will check
Hmm.
all the points which is required for the answer. Those things are there.
Okay.
So if suppose the answer has got 5 points, which should be there, if four
Hmm.
points are there, you'll get only four less mark, eight. Okay. If all the 5 points are there,
Okay.
you get the full mark. Okay.
Okay.
So you should make sure that all points are covered.
Hmm.
Either you write point by point or in a paragraph, but whatever way
Hmm.
you write clearly such that it becomes clear that all the points are there. And also you should
Hmm.
answer what the question is asking.
Okay.
Numerical is no problem. I mean, either the answer is correct or numerical. So if you make the, don't give the final answer straight away. Just write the steps. Okay.
Okay.
So in case the final answer is wrong, but step is correct, you'll get an answer for the steps.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You'll get even answer for the formula if you use the
Huh.
correct formula.
Okay.
Even you should not write the formula which is not required for the question.
Oh,
Then there
okay,
is no,
sir.
then there is no mark.
Huh.
Okay. So step mark is also there.
Hmm.
So what is the highest mark you got in science?
We didn't receive the mark yet,
No,
sir.
no,
They're
previously,
just.
previously in the class test.
Mm,
90, 80.
no, sir.
Hmm. How much?
Mm, the total
Hmm.
mark would be 75. So
Okay.
I'll be getting around 60. That's how, sir.
Okay. What about marks you're losing in physics, chemistry, or biology?
I'm losing mark in actually I'm gaining mark in physics, sir, but
Hmm.
losing in chemistry part and
Biology?
some in biology. Biology part some in, sir. So so in biology part I'll be losing mark in 8 mark question, sir.
Biology, you have to draw the diagrams clearly
Hmm.
and basically explaining, right? Biology.
Um. Yes, sir. Actually, drawing is easy, but there was an explanation I'm getting wrong.
Okay.
For the physics, I'll be getting fully only, sir.
Hmm. What about maths? You're getting,
Um,
you're getting 80 or 90?
no, sir, I'm getting lower only, sir.
70.
Yeah, like around
Um,
that.
what is that reason?
Like silly
Maths,
mistakes as well.
you have to practice.
Mm,
And as far as maths is concerned, you have to recognize the pattern. Physics, you have to
mm,
concepts have to be clear. You have to
okay.
understand the question,
Hmm.
understand the formula you're using, not just
Mm,
blindly use the formula.
okay.
Okay, maths you just maths practice is required, and also you have to recognize
Hmm.
the pattern of the question. Like similar
Mm,
question will come, not nothing
hmm.
drastic. So
Yes, sir.
whatever question is there, same question is coming, similar question is coming. So the method is also similar.
Hmm.
The only thing you have to match with what you already know to the question.
Hmm. Okay.
You know answer of certain, you know how to solve certain problems. So
Hmm.
which problem you have to match with the asked question that you have to figure out, right?
Yes, sir.
So for that you have to recognize some sort of a pattern in the question.
Hmm.
So once you recognize what that question is about, or the pattern of the question, then just it's practice.
Sir, okay, like as I was asking you, in like any sort of question papers are there for solving maths, sir?
That's how to search only. I don't have,
Mm.
because CBSE means it's a little bit easy to find out, because even if you do Google,
Oh.
you know, because a lot of people are
Mm.
using CBSE. Tamil Nadu state board means it's only Tamil Nadu state, right? So
Sir, actually, you can search as Samacheer Kalvi, sir. So,
uh, Tamil medium, 1 mark question paper, 1 mark question with the answer keys. Have you seen these things?
am I audible now?
Yeah, yeah. No, no, have you seen these things? Something Namakalvi is coming.
Yes, sir. Before those exam, I used to see.
Something has come. So I'll send this in WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. It's only
This uh,
1 marks.
this is it's the book, no?
Yes, sir.
It's figures in the book.
Hmm.
So just one mark questions. 125.
Hmm. Okay.
In marks, model question. I think it's a full paper then. So now school is there or what?
So,
So tomorrow class is there?
no, sir, there's leave. Study holiday.
Okay. Here there is one question paper.
Hmm.
I think it's a full paper, 100 marks. Maths is
Okay.
100, is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Only science is 75.
Hmm.
Max is 100.
This how to download the this allow me to download or not? This full question paper. Maths.
Hmm.
Solution is also there.
Hmm.
Question paper 2. Question paper 3. Okay, a lot of papers are there.
Okay.
Totally 78 pages.
Okay.
Question paper 11. But I
Hmm.
think he has given the answers.
With the answers they have given, sir.
Hmm. Okay, I'll send this
For
also.
the sir, and I have doubt in max. For the theorem, the sir, basic proportionality theorem. Next, angle bisector theorem. Which in which theorem should I concentrate more, sir?
Both are simple, no? Proportionality is basically similar triangles, right? Only
Yes,
if the
sir.
triangles are similar, it will be
Uh,
proportional. Similar triangles would just take a triangle and magnify it or shrink it.
yes, sir.
See, so when you magnify or shrink
No,
that,
actually, those derivation part is difficult in max, sir.
no, no, that's what you have to understand. No, see, the
Okay.
steps given in the book may not be that, it could be
Hmm.
lengthy,
Uh,
but if you understand, you can write your own steps.
okay.
That's what I did, so something like that sometime back, no? Proving
Yes, sir.
Pythagoras theorem or something.
Yes, sir. Pythagoras theorem.
Uh, so basically, that thing given in the book is a little bit lengthy,
Yes, sir.
but if you understand, Pythagoras theorem is also based on
Hmm.
recognizing the similar triangles.
Hmm.
Okay, basically the angle will be same.
Okay.
So same thing here also.
Hmm.
So right now focus on science. After science, maths exam is over, right?
No, sir. First exam is science, then only
Okay.
max.
Then we'll think about it.
Okay.
Okay, right now just
Actually, for the max exam, we have 2 days leave for pre-board.
pre-board is fine. Okay. It's,
Mm.
uh, so this is what pre-board one or two?
One, sir. Pre-board one.
Okay. What is the next one?
Pre-board one, and then directly board, sir.
Okay, okay.
Actually, we have two revision tests, and then pre-board, and then board exam.
Hmm.
That's how our format is there.
Okay, we'll close now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Study properly. Fine. All the
Uh,
best.
Thank you, sir.